In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize Vimeo player branding, logo, and colors. Start by opening a new browser window and searching for Vimeo. This is the quickest way to get to the official site without typing the full URL. Once the results appear, click the first link that takes you to Vimeo's homepage. Next, log into your Vimeo account. Make sure you're using the account that owns or manages the video you want to customize, since branding options are tied to your plan and permissions. After you're in, choose the video you want to customize. You can do this from your library. Open the video so you can access its settings. We're going to make changes that apply to the player itself, so it's important to select the specific video where the branding should appear. In the video settings, look to the left side panel and click the appearance icon. This is where Vimeo keeps all the options that control how the player looks to your viewers, including the logo and color scheme. Now, toggle on Custom Logo. When that's on, click the upload box in the player preview, which you'll see in the bottom left area. Upload your brand's logo file. Transparent PNGs work best because they blend cleanly with the player background without a visible box around them. Aim for a crisp image that isn't too large. A tidy, high-contrast mark is easier to see at small sizes and won't distract from the video. With your logo in place, set the colors of your player. Use the color picker to choose your primary and accent colors, or type in your brand's hex codes for perfect accuracy. The primary color updates major interface elements like the play bar and larger graphics. The accent color is used for hover states and controls such as the volume slider. If you're unsure, start with your main brand color as the primary and a complementary, slightly lighter or darker shade as the accent. Be mindful of contrast so controls remain readable against video backgrounds. A quick note on availability. These customization features are included on Vimeo's standard and advanced plans. If you don't see the options mentioned here, your current plan may not include them. As you make changes, use the live preview to check how your logo and colors feel together. Consider how they'll look on both light and dark footage and on desktop and mobile. When everything looks right, you're done. Your player branding will reflect these settings wherever the video is shared or embedded.